Is it possible to charge a car battery without disconnecting it from the car?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a common question many car owners have. Is it possible to charge a car battery without disconnecting it from the car? The quick answer is, yes, it is possible and often recommended. However, it's important to know how to do this correctly to avoid damaging your car or its electrical systems.
Why would you want to charge a battery without disconnecting it?
Cars today are increasingly complex, with intricate electrical systems and computers. Disconnecting the battery can potentially reset these systems, causing a loss of settings and data. This might not be a major concern for some systems, like your radio presets, but it can be an issue for others, like your car's engine control unit. By charging the battery while it's still connected, you maintain the power supply to these systems and avoid any unwanted resets.
How to charge a car battery without disconnecting it?
The process for charging a car battery while it's connected is pretty straightforward. 1. Ensure your car is turned off. This includes all lights and electrical systems. 2. Connect your charger to the battery. The positive, red, charger cable should be connected to the positive battery terminal, and the negative, black, charger cable should be connected to the negative battery terminal. 3. Set your charger to the slowest charge rate. Charging a battery too quickly can generate heat and potentially damage the battery. 4. Turn on your charger and let it charge the battery. Depending on the charger and the battery's condition, this could take a few hours.
What precautions should you take?
While charging your car battery without disconnecting it is generally safe, there are a few precautions you should take. Always read and follow the instructions for your particular charger. Some chargers may have specific steps that need to be followed. Make sure your charger is designed for your car's battery. Not all chargers are created equal, and using the wrong one can damage your battery. Never try to charge a frozen or damaged battery. This could lead to the battery rupturing. In conclusion, yes, it's not only possible to charge a car battery without disconnecting it from the car, but it can also be beneficial. By following the correct procedures and precautions, you can ensure your battery is charged safely and effectively. As always, when in doubt, consult with a professional. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Stay safe and take care of your car.